Are you struggling to make money online? Let me help you. I will show you 4 ways you can earn money using ChatGPT. And this is something that I took a lot of time to investigate, so please drop a like. The number 1 way to make money online with ChatGPT is making a birthday card with a poem on Etsy. On my screen you can see how it looks like. Basically, it's a personalized husband or whatever topic you choose birthday card with a poem. So how would this work? Basically, you would use ChatGPT. So ask it to write me a birthday card poem for a 40-year-old husband named Josh, and immediately it will start writing the poem. If it is too long, you can always make it shorter by just asking ChatGPT to make it shorter. You just go, please make it shorter. So when you're done with that, you will probably, the best thing you can do is go to printful.com. When you are done with that, you can use printful.com to create the cards, and then Printful, when somebody orders a card from Etsy, Printful will print it and ship it, so you will not have anything to do with the actual creation of the card. If you can see in this example, this particular card was sold 52,000 times. If we do the math, so 52,000 times 469 is $243,000 only for one card. Of course, there are some things you need to pay to Printful, but it's a pretty big amount of money. But you don't have to stay with birthday card. As you can see on Etsy, you can have mom gifts and poems on like posters and similar. So the creativity is up to you, and you can make money doing that. The second way to make money using ChatGPT is to sell proofreading services on freelance sites like Upwork. If I go to upwork.com, I search for proofreading, and I got a lot of proofreaders here. The average is from $35 an hour to $50. Basically, when you need to proofread, you just go to ChatGPT and click proofread this, and then write something, and it will correct it, and you will be you can sell that service. If you want to check the ChatGPT if it proofreads correctly, you can use a service like Grammarly or similar, but there is quite a lot of money in the proofreading, and you can use the help of ChatGPT to make it work. The third way you can make money using ChatGPT is YouTube automation. You can create YouTube automated or semi-automated channels where you don't have to show your face. One caveat though, you will need to either record your voiceover and edit the video, or pay somebody to do it, because there is a possibility that YouTube will not monetize your channel if you are using text-to-speech software or similar. But everything you can do with ChatGPT. For example, I can ask it to please write me a video script on 10 best cities to live. So please write me a video script on 10 best cities to live, and it will do its best to give you the cities, and when it's done, I will stop generating. Basically, you will get a video script. You can now use InVideo editor, which is very simple to use. You just copy and paste your script, and it will create a B-roll or a copyright-free video footage below, and it will generate a video. You can add your voiceover and upload that to your YouTube channel, or you can pay somebody to do this. But the bottom line is ChatGPT will help you. You can create like an outline of the video script, and if you are wanting to be more perfect or more like human-like, you can use it as a base and make your own scripts, like edit the script and make it better and more into your style. Fourth and the last way that we will cover today is to make money online with ChatGPT is affiliate marketing, which is something I am doing, and I will soon release a video where I will prove to people, because there is some people on the internet saying that it's all bogus and it's only for the YouTube views and you cannot make money with ChatGPT, but I am making a case study on affiliate marketing and how ChatGPT can help you start your affiliate marketing business and why is it beneficial to you. So affiliate marketing is basically where you sell other people products for a provision, and one of the networks that we are using to find those products is ClickBank. Bear in mind, ClickBank products are not like the biggest quality in the world, but it's a good marketplace for beginners to start earning and learning how to do affiliate marketing. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, I have a free course in the comments below or in the description of this video, so go check that out. But I use this program called CB Snooper or ClickBank Snooper when I can, if you click on the rising products here, and you can sort everything by gravity. So as you can see, Alpilian or Icaria juice, those are some kind of a weight loss products, and social pads are the biggest and rising products at the moment. So let's see what this product is all about. You can see the trends here and the earnings per sale, it's like 20%. And if you go to, you can generate a hop link directly here. So basically, let's generate a hop link. You just add your ClickBank ID, and this is your affiliate link. You just copy it to clipboard and you can see it. See, this is like online social media jobs that pay per hour, and some kind of a quiz, and I'm from Croatia, so he recognized it, and I can join it directly here or go through the quiz. And if somebody is paying to apply and start working on this job, then you will get a commission in usually 40 to 80%. So you can use ChatGPT to write some kind of a social media post or a Facebook ad or a Google ad or whatever you're using. I tend to use organic traffic. I use organic traffic mainly using short form content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So you can write it, ask it to. We told it to write a short YouTube script for online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour. And we told it, please use hook desired call to action formula. Let's see what we will get back. You can always add this everything that it does. So I will start the video directly with hook without this hello and welcome part. So if you read this script, it's pretty compelling. So the hook is that you are scrolling through social media, but you can did you know that you can make some income working from home, setting your own hours, online, which is like a desire. So you are hooking them in, you are already doing social media. Why don't you do it? Why you don't earn some money from it? And then desire is working from setting your own hours to work. And then the call action is, what are you waiting for? Check out our list of social media jobs that pay between $25 to $50 per hour. And someone will click, and when they click, they will come here and start the quiz and maybe buy something that will give you a commission. This is 4 ways to earn money with ChatGPT. There's a gazillion creative ways to do so. Please smash that subscribe button and like this video, because I'm making money-making content 2 times a week and shorts almost every day on this channel.